Foams are a popular garnish for cocktails, and today we're gonna hop that train and we're gonna make a Campari sweet vermouth foam. For these past couple weeks, we've been showcasing cocktails that we created for the 2023 ISI Best Mixologist. And this Friday, we're gonna make the dark chai, but we need our garnish for that. And I created a Campari sweet vermouth foam. It adds dimension and bitterness and sweetness and just gives it a different mouthfeel to it. So let's get started. 3 ounces of Campari, 2 ounces of Cocchi Vermouth di Torino. Next, we're gonna pour the Campari sweet vermouth into a saucepan and turn on low to medium heat. Measure out 1.6 grams of Xanthan Gum. After your Campari sweet vermouth mixture is heated, we're gonna add the Xanthan Gum, pour into your blender. Now add 2 egg whites. And now we're gonna blend for about 10 to 12 seconds. Now we're gonna pour into your ISI Whipper. Now we're gonna insert 1 cartridge and shake the container. And now we're gonna place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So we have our foam, it's ready to go. Let's cross our fingers and hope it came out good. Looks great, nice hold. Let's give it a little taste. That tastes really good. You get the Campari and the sweet vermouth. So it's just a great blend that's gonna work great on this cocktail that we're gonna do this Friday called the Dark Chai. Now, if you're wondering what the Xanthan Gum does, is that holds the stability of the foam. The egg whites give it the fluffiness and the Xanthan Gum holds that structure together and it works very well. So I was having some issues with the right amount of Xanthan Gum to structure with the ingredients I was using. And good old Kevin Kos helped me out with this issue. He's done quite a few of these videos. I watched those. I had messaged him and he helped me out a lot getting through this and helping me think over this cocktail that we're doing on Friday. So I appreciate it, bud. We'll see everyone on Friday.